to be fair, it's not about you, it's about me. I can't be with someone who's only gonna leave and not even thinking about taking me. 'Cause I can't be home alone. I am letting go of anything and anyone that's leaving me alone. I need those arms to wrap me up tight, and it has to be without the friction, without the fight, without the falling, without the fear of being on my own. Because I can't be home alone. You're doing it your way, I don't mind, but now I know my soulmate's never gonna be you. But you ever think maybe somebody will see me and remember that he's lonely too? 'Cause to be fair, it's not about you, now it's about me. I can't be, no, I can't be home alone. I am letting go of anyone and anything that's leaving me alone. I need those arms to wrap me up tight, and it has to be without the friction, without the fight, without the falling, without the fear of being on my own. Because I can't be home alone. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I can't be home alone. I am letting go of anything and anyone that's leaving me alone. I need those arms to wrap me up tight, and it has to be without the friction, without the fight, without the falling, without the fear of being on my own. Because I can't be home alone. I don't like to bring it up, don't like to talk about a time when everything went wrong, but now I got to go. I don't know where to start. Let's say once upon a time I was everything I'm not. No, it was no use, no place that I could go to. Life was but a dream, and I never thought I'd find you. I never thought you'd come around. Thank you for reaching out your hand. You looked me in the eye and then you helped me out again. Thank you, you put yourself aside. You saved me when you gave me just a little of your time. Thank you. Don't like to say a lot. I'm scared of what they think of me if they knew where I was. But sometimes I had to bring it up. I have to tell the world that I got saved by your love. 'Cause when I drowned, that's when you came around. Thank you for reaching out your hand. You looked me in the eye and then you helped me out again. Thank you, you put yourself aside. You saved me when you gave me just a little of your time. Thank you for reaching out your hand. You looked me in the eye and then you helped me out again. Thank you, you put yourself aside. You saved me when you gave me just a little of your time. Life is throwing stones sometimes. Everybody's bruised inside, but together we'll be fine. Love is always on our side. Life is throwing stones sometimes. Everybody's bruised inside,